Welcome to the F-Bound Podcast. I'm your host, Shannon Schroeder, Executive Function Coach. I help neurodivergent women learn tips and strategies to improve the life skills that will help them be successful. How to make decisions that align with your core values. Decision-making can be overwhelming, especially when the stakes are high, but it doesn't have to be. Your core values, the beliefs that truly matter to you, can be a powerful guide. For neurodivergent women, aligning decisions with these values isn't just helpful, it's essential. When your choices reflect who you are at your core, life feels more authentic and the stress of second-guessing yourself starts to fade away. Understanding core values. When you think about the choices you make, do you ever stop to consider what's fueling them? Your core values, those deeply held beliefs that shape your sense of self, are at the heart of your decisions. They act like a compass, pointing you toward what feels right and away from situations that don't align with your authentic self. Personal reflection on core values. Have you ever taken a moment to identify your core values? It's a powerful exercise in self-awareness. These values can include anything from honesty, compassion, and independence to growth, creativity, or security. They're shaped by your experiences, upbringing, and personal journey. To uncover your own core values, start by asking yourself these questions. What principles guide me when I'm faced with a tough decision? What qualities in others do I admire most? When have I felt the most fulfilled or proud of myself? Write down your answers and look for patterns. This exercise isn't about overthinking, it's about paying attention to what already drives you. Knowing your values can illuminate why certain choices feel natural, while others leave you uneasy. The impact of core values on decision-making. When your decisions align with your core values, life has a strange way of falling into place. Why? Because you're no longer wrestling with second-guessing or regret. Instead, you're choosing based on what matters to you, not what someone else wants or expects. This shift isn't just empowering, it's liberating. Let's put this into perspective. Imagine you're considering a job offer. The salary is great, but the company culture doesn't sit well with you. If one of your values is integrity, you might decline the role despite the financial perks. That decision affirms your beliefs, and that affirmation feels good. Here's why this matters in day-to-day life. You can make quicker, more confident decisions because you're clear in your priorities. You'll spend less time on choices that don't align, reducing stress and burnout. You'll likely feel more satisfied with your outcomes even when things get tough. Ultimately, making decisions guided by your values builds trust, not just in yourself, but in the way you approach life. Decision-making strategies aligned with core values. When you're faced with major decisions, it can be tough to know which direction to take. You might weigh pros and cons, seek advice, and still feel fuzzy about what's right. That's where your core values come in. They offer clarity and purpose. When you make choices that align with these values, you're not just solving a problem, you're building a life that feels right for you. The values-based decision-making framework. Values-based decision-making isn't complicated. Think of it as a guide that ensures your choices are in sync with what truly matters to you. This framework operates like a filtering system. Every decision gets screened through your values. Here's an example of a simple, actionable framework. 1. Clarify your core values. Start by identifying the 3 to 5 values that define you. These could be honesty, autonomy, kindness, whatever resonates most. 2. Define the decision at hand. Be as specific as you can. For instance, instead of saying, should I take this new job, clarify, does this job align with my long-term goals and values? 3. Explore options using your values. Take each potential outcome and ask, does this honor my values? 4. Anticipate outcomes. Think not only about today, but also how your decision will play out in the long term. Which option best supports the future version of you? 5. Act and reflect. Once you decide, reflect on the process. Did you stay true to your values? As you practice this framework, it becomes second nature to filter decisions through your values, leaving less room for hesitation or regret. Evaluating options through the lens of core values. Making the right choice gets easier when you evaluate your options through the lens of your core values. How do you actually do it? Start by asking yourself, what value does this option support? Each option you consider will emphasize different values. For example, staying in a stable job may align with security, while starting your own business may align with independence. Does this option conflict with any of my values? A choice that goes against a core value will eventually create inner tension, even if it seems like a good idea at first. How will I feel about this choice a year from now? This question can help you see past the immediate pros and cons. Here's a practical exercise. Write down your options side by side in a table. Under each one, list how it aligns with or conflicts with your values. Seeing it in black and white can make the best option much clearer. Challenges in aligning decisions with core values. Aligning your decisions with your core values sounds ideal in theory, but in practice it can feel like walking a tightrope. From societal pressures to the overwhelming number of choices you face every day, plenty of challenges can come between you and your values. It's easy to second-guess yourself or feel stuck when you're trying to do the right thing. Navigating societal pressures. Living in today's world means you're constantly bombarded by societal expectations from family, friends, and even social media. Everyone seems to have an opinion about how you should live your life, and those voices can drown out your own. What happens when these pressures conflict with the values you've worked hard to define? Take financial success, for example. Society often celebrates wealth and status, but if one of your core values is authenticity or work-life balance, the push to climb the corporate ladder might conflict with what truly makes you happy. This sort of internal tug-of-war can leave you feeling stuck or even guilty for not meeting external expectations. Here are some steps to navigate societal pressures. Stay grounded in your why. Remind yourself why a particular value matters to you. Write it down and refer back to it when doubt creeps in. Create boundaries. Politely distance yourself from people or environments that pressure you to act against your values. Seek like-minded communities. Surround yourself with people who respect or even share your values. They'll encourage you to stay true to yourself. Societal pressure is unavoidable, but it doesn't have to control you. The more rooted you are in your values, the easier it becomes to block out the noise. Overcoming analysis paralysis. When faced with too many options, it's easy to feel stuck. You start questioning every possible outcome, thinking about all the ways things could go wrong. Does this sound familiar? Welcome to analysis paralysis, where overthinking takes control and makes decisions feel impossible. If you're trying to choose a career path, for example, you might weigh each option against your value of independence, but end up feeling overwhelmed by all the possibilities. This cycle creates a mental gridlock, making it harder to move forward. Here are some actionable ways to break free. Narrow your choices early. Eliminate options that clearly don't align with your values. Fewer choices often lead to better clarity. Set a deadline. Give yourself a specific amount of time to decide. Deadlines force action and reduce overthinking. Start with small wins. Practice making quick, low-stakes decisions. This builds confidence and a habit of acting decisively. Remember, not every decision will be perfect, and that's okay. Real progress comes from choosing and learning along the way. You don't have to have everything figured out. Just take the steps that feel aligned with your values at this moment. Benefits of value-aligned decision-making. Making choices that align with your core values is a way to live authentically. While your decisions reflect what truly matters to you, you'll notice how life becomes less about compromises and more about fulfillment. Increased satisfaction and fulfillment. Have you ever made a decision that just felt right deep down? That's the power of value-aligned decisions. When your actions match your beliefs, there's a natural sense of contentment. Imagine saying no to a high-paying job that doesn't align with your passion, only to pursue a role where you feel truly appreciated and valued. That choice might seem risky to others, but for you, it brings peace. Value-aligned decisions prevent the regret that often comes from chasing external validation or societal pressures. Instead of questioning your choices, you'll feel clarity. Over time, these small, intentional decisions snowball into greater happiness and fulfillment. This isn't just a feel-good theory. Research supports that aligning with personal values leads to a deeper sense of purpose. When your life reflects your values, even challenges become more manageable. It's easier to push through obstacles when you know you're on the right path. Strengthen self-identity and confidence. Living authentically boosts your confidence. When you align your choices with your values, you step into your true self. You're no longer trying to fit into molds that others have set for you. Instead, you're defining success on your own terms. Imagine a friend asks you to do something that conflicts with one of your core values. Saying no might feel uncomfortable at first, but in doing so, you're standing up for what you believe. That decision alone strengthens your confidence, making it easier to repeat in the future. In a world where people often conform to fit in, sticking to your values is an act of boldness. It's a way of saying, this is who I am, take it or leave it. The results? More empowerment, fewer apologies. Start small. Practice identifying your values and letting them influence your day-to-day choices. Over time, these habits grow into a foundation of authenticity and self-trust. The more you lean into your values, the easier it becomes to make decisions that feel right, not just in the moment, but in the long run. What's one decision today where you can let your values lead the way? I hope you enjoyed this episode of the F-Bomb podcast. Thank you for listening. Remember to subscribe below and check out my show notes to learn more about my Facebook group, courses, and membership.